Good day and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this today's video, we are going to be discussing how to actually stream or record your screen with your desktop. If you are trying to maybe deliver a course, or you are trying to probably prepare a YouTube video, or whatever it is, a webinar or whatever it is. Today we are going to be discussing OBS Studio. It's a tool you can use it to stream. You can use it to do a lot of streaming function you have. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the tool. This is how OBS looks like. You visit the websites. You visit the website OBS projects. You're going to see where you can actually download it. As you can see, this is it. You can actually download OBS from this website. If you are using a Windows or Mac or Linux, this is where you can get it from. So after downloading it, you install it. Once you open it, you are going to see an interface like this. You're going to see an interface like this by the time you launch your OBS Studio. Don't be I know it might be a little bit overwhelming at first, but it's actually very easy. It's a very simple software, very simple tool to use. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into the tool. As you can see, starting from the left here, the first thing you're going to see here is scenes. You're going to see scenes. These are the scenes you are going to be recording. For example, now you choose a scene. For example, this is a scene I'm trying to capture on this. As you can see, I'm currently using OBS Studio even on this video, as you can see. So, but the moment you click a scene, you can see the scene here. Then you add whatever source you want to attach to the scene. As you can see in this scene, I'm trying to deliver this tutorial on OBS Studio. That's what is displaying here. And in this place, the sources is just to tell you what source of device do you want to attach to the scene you are actually using. As you can see from here, you have the audio input capture, which I've attached to it. I've attached a microphone, as you can see, which is blinking from here. It's a microphone that is attached to it. This is the microphone, and a display capture I want it to cover is the screen here is the display capture. Because you can add multiple things. You can add an audio output capture, a browser, a color source, a display capture, which I've added. Display capture is the display of the screen. A game capture, if you want to display your game, showing your game while running, why doing what you are, maybe probably showing people how to access a particular game. You're going to see there. Then next, you can add an image. If you have an image you want to put, you can put an image slideshow, a media source. This way you can add a video, you can add whatever you want to add. You can add a scene, a text, a video capture device. If you're assuming you have a webcam, and I assume you want to show a video while displaying your tutorial or displaying your webinar, you want it to appear, you want your picture to appear by the bottom corner or wherever position you want it to appear. This is where you attach your video. You attach a webcam to your device and set it up here. Window capture. So this is where the sources, you set up a scene and put your sources. In this case, you can see this is it for a scene we're talking about. All right. The next thing we're going to talk about here is the settings. If you come here, you see OBS Studio, you see settings. Here you see the major settings of OBS Studio. I'm not going to go glance through it so that you familiarize with yourself with the major tools. And likely left to me, I don't touch the settings. I don't play around the settings unless it is necessary. I found it necessary to actually check anything. If you want to stream, what device do you want to stream with? I don't want to stream with Twitch or YouTube. It's this way you select it. I connect the account. You connect your key or license, whatever it is, to it, to attach it to it. This way you select your output mode, the video bit rate, depending on the quality of video you want, where you want the video to be saved after you finish recording. This is where you're going to save them, as you can see. So in this place, you're going to see all this. You can see the audio details, what you are using, the desktop audio device, and a lot of other features that might interest you. Like, left to me alone, I don't see reason why you should change much of this unless it is necessary. And here, this is the base canvas. As you can see, we are currently recording, so you can't actually edit this at the moment, but you can see from here the base resolution, the output resolution, and this downscale filter. You can see it here. You can actually edit it. Assuming we are not using it to record currently, you'll be able to edit this. Let's go to the next one, which is the hotkeys. Here you can see you can set up a hotkey for you to be using it to start a recording. You can use a stop streaming key. You can set it up here, whichever short key you want to be using to easily access your OBS Studio. This is where you can set it up. You can set F1, F2. You can set different buttons to pause, to unpause your recording, to start a virtual camera, to enable preview, disable preview, and much more. There are a lot of them here, and you can see the advanced features. I don't see any reason. You can see the file formats, the recording name. You might want to change that. So that's it for the settings. Like the general, you can see just the major settings. Otherwise, I don't see any reason why we should change more. Ordinarily, I don't see any reason why we should change much of these settings unless it's not providing what you want. And that's it for that section. Lastly, what we're going to be discussing, if you just install OBS Studio, you might be facing some background noise. You might be facing some noise from the background that might not really allow you to enjoy or to get the quality of the sound you want, the output you want. So what I would recommend you do is you come to the input here, the audio input capture. You select filters, then here you add a filter. You can add a filter here. You can either add a noise gate. When you add a noise gate, you set it to the set this, or you add a noise suppression, which is already added there. As you can see, a noise suppression. You can add a noise suppression from here, and voila, depending on the kind of sound you want to produce. If you add these filters, you'll be able to actually suppress the noise, the background noise that is coming out from your recording. So in the other way, use noise suppression. For this particular one, my own case, noise suppression is okay, and it's giving me the sound output I want at the moment. All right, I think we have come to the end of this very video. Once you are through with recording, you can just stop the recording and come here to show recordings. This is where you see all your recordings. You see all your recorded files. You can decide to copy, do whatever you want to do here. This way you see where to see your recordings, and you see them saved in your device. See where they are saved in your computer, and how you can access them, rename them, edit them, depending on whatever you want to do before publishing them to wherever you want. All right, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to encourage us to shoot more videos like this. We'll be dropping more content like this. If you have a particular content regarding if you have a particular question regarding this, you can read OBS Studio. You can ask in the comment section. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to encourage us to give you more quality videos like this in the future. Thank you very much.